Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST S-1 D3O CE rated leather jacket. Okay, the all-new RST S-1 D3O leather jacket retails for $379.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update the videos for pricing changes on the product itself. It's been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing.
I am 5'11", 175 pounds with a 39.5-inch chest, and I'm wearing a size 50 Euro. Let's talk about a second comparing the Tractech Evo 5 D3O fit compared to the S1. The Tractech Evo 5, it more feels like I'm going to say a race suit, a little more aggressive fit, tighter in the shoulders. This S1 kind of gives you that more relaxed fit and feel from the shoulders, chest, down to the arms, everywhere. So
yeah, you got a little more operating room with this one.
Yep. If I wanted to put an airbag underneath, such as the Tech Air 5 Plasma, I got to go up a size into a 52. But I like the way this 50 fits overall right now.
Might actually be close.
No, I need...
You think so?
Yeah. If you want me to breathe.
Well, fair enough. This jacket is CE AAA rated. It comes with level 1 D3O armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Integrated shoulder slider works in conjunction with that shoulder armor to enhance protection in that area. It has a pocket inside the jacket that will accept the D3O CE certified back protector insert. It also has pockets in the front of the jacket that will accept the sold separate chest armor inserts. You could find all that in the RST armor section of our website. This jacket also includes a fully removable quilted vest liner that's insulated. It's in there right now. Perforation with this one, a little bit less than I think what we see with the Tractech Evo 5, but still a reasonable amount for a leather jacket. We've got perf up here, perf here on the sides, all your stretch fabric, that's going to flow air freely.
It's got a nice liner in case you want to remove it if it's a little chilly in the morning.
Yeah, 100%.
You want to ride in the warmth on the way home.
Back of the jacket, very clean, no race hump, perforated panel here, subtle screen printed RST logo, leather motion panel, little screen printed details there, right? A little perforation right here. On the side of the jacket, we've got stretch fabric, that'll flow air. Also, we have to adjust the volume in the waist. We have leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. What are you going to knock me out or something?
Not going to knock you out.
Cool screen printed details here. Locking zippers throughout. Comfort lined collar, comfort lined cuffs. Interior storage pockets. High quality leather jacket.
Very high quality.
At a very, very affordable price. $379 makes this thing an absolute steal.
Yeah.
And it's also good to have fit options. Not everybody wants their jacket to fit like the top part of your race suit does.
No, they want more of a relaxed fit, and that's why the S1 instead of the Tractech Evo 5 is probably better for you guys.
It's going to make sense for a lot of riders that prefer not having that super tight fit.
Yep.
If you like what you see, but you want a couple of more details, stay tuned. We're going to take this thing off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. Inside out of the all-new RST S1 D3O CE leather jacket. This includes CE certified D3O level 1 armor in the elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. This jacket includes a fully removable quilted vest liner, zips in, so it's held in place. It carries over the storage pocket you'll find inside the jacket, one with a zipper on the left, a slip pocket over on the right. Shell of the jacket itself, full leather chassis, perforation up here at base of the neck, subtly screen printed RST logo, perforation here, motion panel here in the shoulder blade area, stretch fabric used on the side of the jacket, volume adjustment at the waist is done with Velcro leather and a D-ring. Sleeve of the coat, subtle screen printing details there, reflective piping here, perforation here, integrated shoulder slider works in conjunction with the D3O armor to enhance protection in that area. Your stretch fabric here is going to flow air freely, right, all the way from the cuff up into the underarm area. Locking zipper, comfort lined cuff. Front of the jacket, RST logo, screen printed, once again subtle, split by a locking zipper. Some more screen printing details, a reflective detail there. Perforation here, perforation down here. Zippered hand warmer style, storage pockets right and left side. Comes with a little novel, right, for your reading pleasure. You get out your little microscope and read the ultra fine print. That is included with this jacket at no charge. You're going to find it in the left pocket. You're welcome. Inside the jacket, D3O back protector insert fits right in this pocket. That is sold separate. It's found in the D3O armor or the RST armor section of our website. Slides right in there. We highly recommend you're buying a coat, buy that. You should at minimum protect that. You want to go a level up and add chest armor. There's all new stuff from D3O for these RST jackets. You zip open the pocket. You'll find one on the left, one on the right. Slide it in, zip it up, forget about it. You're going to have protection on all corners. To access the armor in the elbow and forearm or the shoulder, there's a pocket down here underneath your full circumference zip to pants. Zip that open, reach up in there, do what you need to do. Full circumference zip to pants, heavy gauge zip. This is going to work great. Pair this up with their S-1 pants. Have yourself a very nice two-piece riding suit. Zippered storage pocket on the left, slip storage pocket over here on the right. Comfort lined collar. This retails, as of the time we're shooting this, for $379. It is a full leather chassis with a reasonable amount of perforation, quality construction, good looking shoulder sliders, subtle styling. Boy, that price is hard to beat, isn't it? Kind of that way with all the RST stuff. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.